So, you dropped your AirPods in water. What was it? Toilet, sink, washing up, pool, creek. So give me 3 minutes of your life and I'm gonna save you a whole bunch of coin. But could you please say thank you by leaving a comment, subscribing, liking, you know the drill. Give me some love. What you should do is grab a towel, paper towel, regular towel, it doesn't really matter. Just place your AirPods on the towel just to absorb any water that comes out. And what you need to do is crank the volume. Crank! Sorry, lost myself for a minute. Crank the volume to 100%. We're gonna push the water out of these puppies. These are some pretty nasty sounds designed to get the water out of your AirPods. So do yourself a favor. You don't want hearing damage. I don't want you to get hearing damage. So don't wear your AirPods while you're playing this. Please don't wear your AirPods because this is not going to be good for your hearing. Here we go. Done. I hope it worked well for you and your AirPods are spanking new. If it didn't work for you, just play through it a few times. There's no harm in doing so. Let me know below how it all went for you. Once again, subscribe, like, so you know where this video is next time you drop your AirPods in water, and it will happen. Bye.